Hey, as a property coach who's been helping out hundreds of ADF clients be successful in the property market, by far the number one question I get is, Robbie, where's the best location to buy to give me that sustained and low risk capital growth? If we have a look around the country now, I'm just going to give you a quick snapshot to go, are you living in one of those locations where we think it could be a good idea for you to pull the trigger on your ADF housing entitlements? If you're posted to Amberley or Enoggera, basically the whole Southeast Queensland region, good to go. Good sort of chances of great capital growth there. If you're posted to RAF-based Williamtown or Singleton in that New South Wales Hunter region, around Newcastle, that's also good to go. And certainly if you're sort of posted in some of the areas down in Melbourne, once COVID passes a little bit more, there's some select areas down there which are going to give you some really good outcomes. At the end of the day, here's some pro tips. You want really, really great value for money. You want really good rental yields to allow the cash flow to be there and to make it nice and easy to hold. And of course, you want that capital growth to go ahead. So we've got this thing at Axon called the 7 ingredients to a healthy property market. You would have heard of a couple of them, but when you join all 7 together, not 5, not 6, but all 7, that's when you get the very best outcome. At the end of the day, ladies and gents, it all comes down to supply and demand. If there is more demand than what there is supply, exactly like we're seeing now here in mid-2021 where there's huge uplift in all of those 3 areas, this is the outcome that you're going to get, and this is what you need to look for. The 4 pillars that you would have heard of before, no doubt, it's all about education services, massive amounts of medical services as well, including the specialist stuff, big shopping and retail, and plenty of transport nodes. There's like 32% of the Australian population that work in those sectors. So there's lots of jobs, there's lots of incomes, therefore that's going to put upward pressure on the housing markets. Now, when you join the other 3 together though, as I'll just come over here quickly, when you have master plan communities, increased population and diminishing land, that effectively puts the squeeze on that particular location. That's what's going to drive capital growth. So if you're looking to know where the best place to buy is, you've got 3 areas of the country, and that's exactly what the growth drivers are to make sure you're going to be most successful and get the best outcome.